Hey, Mahmoud MemberStack here, and welcome to MemberScript 179. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow members to add rich text styling to your Webflow form. So if I just showed you how this works over here. You can now add an H1 heading, or if I wanted to add a link over here, I can do that too. And when I submit the form, it will submit with the rich text styles within this message area. Okay, let me show you how to set that up inside of Webflow. So in Webflow, you are going to need to add MemberScript 179, and it should look like this. And you're also going to need to add the CSS for the rich text field area, and it should look like this. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to that code should be in the description below. And if you're watching this on the MemberStack site, then you should have already seen the code. On the page itself, you are now going to need to add the following attributes. On the form, you are going to need to add the attribute of data MS code rich text form. And then for the message area, you are going to add the attribute of data MS code rich text editor. And that's it. Once you've added the attributes, you can now allow users to edit or to add rich text inputs within this message area. If you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out in the Slack 2.0 channel. Bye.